If you are struggling to put your Grand Prix 5000s on a Bontrager rim, then you are not alone. Man, I struggled with this thing like crazy, but I'm gonna show you some tricks that help me out. First things first, PPE. Make sure that you wear some work gloves for this. Unless you have the hands of a bear, these things are gonna help you a lot to grip the rubber. Also, make sure that you have a set of tire levers handy. You really only need one, but two can be helpful if you need to really leverage in some hard to reach places. The next step, getting the rubber on here, is something else entirely. You can probably get half of it on there pretty easily, maybe down to that last little bit. A lot of us are getting stuck at that last little bit. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do here. Okay, so this is the part that I think most of us are getting stuck because of this really stiff tire bead right down at the bottom. So a key that I've found is to kind of work slowly, hold it, pinch it where you have it secured, and then use your tire lever kind of upside down like this to get up and under that area, and then lift and slide it in. Okay, so we have it in here, but it's a little bit stuck on the lever. This is where the soapy water can sometimes help. But I also find if you just kind of keep going really slowly, just a little bit at a time, pinching it in as you go, you'll get that bead to sit. Now, kind of stay even. So we have this one pumped, this one in. I'm gonna keep doing this on this side. I'm going slowly, just a little bit at a time, but don't let it slip up on you and fall back in. Pinch this side, go back to the other side. Little by little we get there. There she goes, straight on in. So take it easy, take your time, go slow, don't let it slack up on you. And simple little tire levers, a couple of minutes, it'll pop right in. Thanks for watching.